Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, let us begin again in this video session. And today I am going to explain you the lesson The Prodigal Son. The Prodigal Son is taken a short story taken from Bible, and it is a moral lesson. This story is heartwarming and it gives the message of love and forgiveness. So, students, I am not going to read this story line by line, but I am going to explain you this story. Please listen carefully. Once there was a rich farmer who had two sons who worked with him on his farm. One day, the younger son said to his father that, "Father, when you will die, half of your everything, your property will be given to me. So why don't you give it to me now itself so that I can have good time?" Now father loved his sons. He told and he got agree. He counted his money and gave half of his property to his younger son. Few days later, the son packed his belongings, gold, everything, and waved goodbye to his father. Mounting his horse, he traveled for many months and reached a foreign country. He decided to stay there and spend his gold to buy a large and splendid house. Splendid is excellent, impressive house. He spent his money, his gold, to buy new clothes, presents, and gifts for his friends to make them happy. And he invited all his friends for a feast. He celebrated parties all nights and wasted lot of money on good food, music, and dancing. In less than 2 years, he spent most of his money and he had to go to moneylender. Moneylender is a person who lend money and take it back with interest. Soon he had to sell his house to pay his debt. Debt is when he want to give all this money to moneylender back with interest, all that debts. He had no money and no place to live. He asked his friends for help, but nobody helped him, and they call him a fool. Now he was alone and he was not having money to buy food. But time, that time there was drought in the country. And it had not rained for a month. Drought is when there is no rain, there is shortage of water. And with shortage of water, what will happen? The crops were burnt by the sun and people were starving. He searched everywhere for work. At last, one farmer gave him a job looking after his herd of sheep. And in return of that, the only wage the farmer paid him was a small plate of food every day. Now, this small plate of food was not enough to fulfill his hunger. So, sometimes he used to eat the food of sheep. One day, when he was lying on the ground, he thought of his father his love, his house, everything, and remembered the servants of his father. They were also having comfortable house and plenty to eat. So he thought that he will return back to his father. He told, Father, I am no longer worthy to be called your son. What is worthy? Worthy is deserving. He told that I am not deserving to be called your son. So, Father, you treat me as your servant at home. When father saw his son in a dirty clothes, barefoot, he recognized that his son has come back. He was overjoyed. He hugged him, loved him, kissed him. He told his servants to fetch the best robe for him, shoes, clothes, ring for his finger. He ordered his servants to celebrate a feast, arrange the feast, and invite everybody because his son has come back. That day, that evening, when an elder son came back at home, he heard the music and he asked the servant, what music is going on? Then servant told that celebration is going on, that your younger brother has returned back. Hearing all this, the elder son was very unhappy. He come out from there. Then he thought that whole of the time he was with his father, helping him in the fields. Then too, the father has not given him enough money to enjoy with his friends. He thought that not even he have given him a young goat to invite his friends for a meal. But his younger brother wasted all his money, and then too he is celebrating this day. Now, hearing all this, father felt sorry. He understood why his elder son was jealous. He explained him gently, Son, you are a good son of mine. But now your younger son has come back. So this is the time to forgive his foolishness and welcome him back. The elder son understood the wording of his father, and both of them, father and son, hugged each other and went inside the house to join the party, and all together enjoyed there. So, this is the moral story about love and forgiveness. We should learn to forgive if somebody is doing something wrong. I hope you understand the story. Thank you.